Okay, so here we have a fraction, and the question is asking us to fully simplify this fraction. Now, to be fully simplified, you cannot leave a radical number in the denominator, right? Cannot have this radical number in the bottom. So this radical 12, the square root of 12, we must get rid of it somehow, right? So what we do, how we do this is we multiply both top and bottom of this fraction by the square root of 12, right? And if you haven't been taught this before, you might wonder why do we do this, right? So essentially, all we're really doing in this first step is we're multiplying this quantity in the parentheses by 1. Any number divided by itself is 1, right? Square root of 12 over square root of 12 is equal to 1. So any number can be thought of as being multiplied by 1, and it doesn't change that number. It doesn't change anything about that number. It doesn't change anything about its value, right? Any number divided by itself is 1. So essentially, all we're really doing is we're multiplying top and bottom. We're multiplying by 1 by the ratio of square root of 12 by itself. Square root of 12 over square root of 12, right? So on the top, we're going to have 4 times the square root of 5 times square root of 12. That's going to be 60, right? Square root of 60. Something like that. Over 12, square root of 12 times square root of 12 is 12. Okay. So the 4 over 12, right? 12 can be divided by 4. So that will give us square root of 60 over 3, because 12 divided by 4 is 3. Can this square root of 60, can 60 be broken down into anything more simple? So the square root of 60 can be broken down into 4 and 15, okay? 4 and 15 over 3. Okay, 4 times 15 gives you 60. What is the square root of 4? 2, right? So we can take the square root of 4 out of the house, right? Out of the radical, right? So we get 2 outside times the square root of 15 over 3. And I think you are done with that one. Let's try another one. Okay, let's try square root of 49 over 100. Okay, so first of all, we got square root of 49 over square root of 100. Okay, all this is what's the square root of 49? It's 7. What's the square root of 10 or 100? It's 10. And that's it. Okay. All right, what about square root of 8 over 32? Okay. So this, we got square root of 8 over 32. Oh, you know what? What is 32 divided by 8? 32 divided by 8 is 4, right? So this can be simplified into 1 over 4, right? Because 32 divided by 8 is 4. Okay, so we've got square root of 1 over square root of 4. The square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. So your answer is 1/2.